The Bayati Sirius Plus Rooftop Tent uses a compact folding layout that rides low on the roof yet opens into a genuinely roomy sleeping space for 2 to 3 campers. Its hard shell, made from durable ABS plastic with an aluminum frame, keeps weight reasonable while still feeling solid and secure on rough forest roads and long highway drives. The tent body fabric is heavy-duty and highly weather-resistant, offering strong protection against rain, wind, harsh sunlight, and year-round conditions that overlanders regularly face. High-quality hardware, such as corrosion-resistant gas struts and smooth-running zippers, give the tent a reassuringly premium feel and should stand up well to frequent weekend use. Inside, the dual-layer sleeping pad combines a supportive main mattress with a thin anti-condensation layer, so nights feel comfortable without waking up to damp bedding. The included annex room adds valuable sheltered space at ground level, turning a simple sleeping pod into a more versatile campsite base for cooking, gear storage, or changing clothes in bad weather.